So you've downloaded and installed the Threads app, and now you're ready to make your first post. And this is how you do it. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So go ahead and open up your Threads app, and then you'll find a pencil and pad icon at the bottom there. You'll click on that, and you can type in whatever message that you would like to share, whatever thread you'd like to share. If you do not want to put in a text message, you can post a picture from your gallery. So you'll go ahead and just pick whatever picture that you'd like to post, and we'll go ahead and just click one, and then you'll click on post on the bottom right corner right there, and it is posting. And there you have it. It has now been posted, and it is part of my threads on my profile. And it is that quick and it is that easy to make a post on Threads. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.